Pahadi girl, Kangana Ranaut praised your performance.
Yes.
She said it's such a good role. What do you have to say about that?
I was very happy when I read that comment. In fact, a lot of my friends messaged me saying, wow, you've got a compliment from Kangana. And I was like, because I've, grown up watching her films, and I think she's one of the best actresses we have today. I mean, I really loved her in Tanu Veds Manu or Datto ka jo unhone kiya tha. That was like out of the world. So when someone like even that, Queen. Even Queen, like she was brilliant. She's brilliant in I think all the films that she does. And जब कोई खुद अच्छा एक्टर आपके काम की तारीफ करता है तो आपको लगता ही है अच्छा. You do feel happy, you do feel motivated. तो वैसा ही लगा. I was very very happy.
What about working with Babil Khan? You have to say, because it was his debut.
Yes.
And he also surprised. He was very a subtle character who helped you evolve as what you wanted to evolve.
He was working with him. I think I've had a lot of fun because ek to he's very energetic. Like you will never see him quiet. He's always talking to people. तो मैं उससे 3-4 साल ही बड़ी हूँ, but उसके साथ मुझे लगता था मैं बहुत बुढ़ी हो चुकी हूँ, इसमें इतनी एनर्जी कैसे है, मुझ में क्यों नहीं है. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट फर्स्ट डे ही वी क्लिक्ड. फर्स्ट डे ही हमारी वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वाली बॉन्डिंग हो गई थी. एंड क्योंकि सीन्स इतने डिफिकल्ट थे, एट टाइम्स वी हैड टू लाइक रियली बी इमोशनल इन द सीन्स. जब ब्रेक होता था तो वी वुड मेक श्योर दैट वी आर कीपिंग ईच अदर हैप्पी, एंड दैट इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑन अ सेट. एंड आई रियली फील दैट ही इज गोइंग टू गो अ लॉन्ग वे, बिकॉज उसमें ना वो हंगर है टू एक्ट जो बहुत ज़रूरी है इन न्यू कमर्स स्पेशली. एंड कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा उसके साथ कि एक सीन है तो वो एक ही तरीके से फंस गया है और उसी तरीके से कर रहे हैं. मतलब ही वुड गिव मी डिफरेंट इमोशंस विद इन द सीन, विच वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी, स्पेशली बिकॉज कोई वर्कशॉप नहीं की है. जो कर रहा है अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस से एंड वट एवर नॉलेज ही हैज़ ऑफ एक्टिंग, उससे उसने किया. तो दैट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी. एंड फर्स्ट फिल्म ही परफॉर्म्ड सो वेल. आई एम श्योर ही इज गोना, मतलब लंबी रेस का घोड़ा आई कॉल हिम, ही इज डेफिनेटली गोना मेक एवरीबॉडी प्राउड.
But do you thank your stars somewhere, or do you believe in destiny also, because you made your career, you started your career with Imtiaz Ali.
Yes.
You are working on these projects, Anushka Sharma ki production hai, you're working with, with such a good director.
Yeah.
2 of your projects were with Anushka Sharma. Do you somewhere feel that, even though you're a newcomer in the industry, even though, you have not done so many projects, but the kind of projects which are offered to you and the kind of projects you're selecting are way too good also?
I do thank my stars every single day. बिकॉज जब मैं आई थी शुरू में, मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि माई करियर वुड टेक दिस शेप. एंड इट्स आई फील जैसे कि मैंने लैला मजनू का बताया, आई वॉज जस्ट देयर एट द ऑडिशन, इन द ऑडिशन रूम, एंड आई वॉज नॉट सपोज टू गो फॉर दैट ऑडिशन. तो उस टाइम पे भी मुझे लगा कि वाओ, ये हमेशा नहीं होता है, सबके साथ नहीं होता है, एंड इट्स सच अ स्पेशल थिंग. एंड इफ दिस हैज हैपेंड, देन देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड इट, एंड आई शुड रियली फोकस ऑन दिस नाउ. And after that also, whatever projects have come, I do thank my stars for introducing me to such lovely people, to such amazing scripts, and giving me such brilliant characters in so early on in my career. And I think it comes with a lot of responsibility also. मतलब then you feel कि अभी शुरुआत ऐसे हुई है तो you can't now let loose आगे. You should continue to do good work, and that can be at times a little tricky space to be in, because you can't, obviously कभी ना कभी मेरे साथ भी होगा ऐसा कि मैं कुछ करूँगी जो मे बी लोगों को ना पसंद आए, but I can't hold it against,
about it.
I can't stress about it. I can't hold it against people कि अच्छा लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया, ऐसा कैसे होगा. It's a part of life. फिल्म अच्छा करे बुरा करे, that should not define who you are as a person. I feel everybody should define what success is to them, and to me it's not. Earlier it was. Now I don't think it is whether my films are doing good, whether I am working. To me it's whether I'm happy, whether I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So even if it's a small film, if I'm having good fun working, if I'm learning a lot, if I'm with good people, good energies around me, then you're truly blessed. Then yeah.
But also Tripti, I must say that to you, आपके कैरेक्टर्स को मरना बहुत पसंद है. तीनों कैरेक्टर्स में, I mean if I be very very honest, लैला मजनू देखा, बुलबुल देखा, ये भी देखा. Like
My mom, when she watched the film, she was like, "तू इसमें भी मर गई." That was her first reaction, and I'm like, "Yes."
Did you realize? Because I was actually like calculating. I'm like, I'm actually preparing questions, and I'm like, ये तीनों characters में I feel, yeah, and all the three has different different storylines and all. Even Laila Majnun for that matter, the love she has for the guy,
she has to sacrifice
she has to sacrifice it, eventually how the way, because the Khandan ki izzat and all these things. Do you somehow feel that there is this term called compromise which comes in the life of women? Do you feel that way?
Not just in the life of women. I think compromise, again, just like अभी हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे थे, success and failure. It is also a part of life. At times you have to give up something to get something else, and it is a part of life. And yes, it happens to women a lot. You have to not just think about your happiness. You have to think about your family, your kids. And in fact, growing up, I come from a middle class family, and I've seen my mom compromise so much for us. We would go for shopping, and she would make sure that she buys things for us first, for the kids first, then for grandparents, then for husband, and then if there's some money left, then for herself.
Yeah.
So bachpan se, there were glimpses that we would see कि यार ठीक है, mom is compromising, but that is the sad part is that it is expected out of her. That is the sad part. That should not be the case.